But when Pinocchio returned to the field, there was no sign of any tree, not a twig or even a leaf. Hello, my name is Nuramani Zulaika. I'm from SK Teluk Kalong, Kemaman, Terengganu. My school code is TBA 2012. Recently, I have read an interesting book. So today, I'm going to make a book review on one of my favorite storybooks. The name of the book is Pinocchio. It is written based on the masterpiece by Carlo Collodi. Collodi continued to write political and humorous novels until 1876. Pinocchio has been translated in over 260 languages and is one of the most popular children's stories ever told. This book was published in 2014. The illustrations by Francesca Rossi. She was born in 1983 and graduated from International Schools of Comics in Florence. Her illustrations were very interesting because it helped me a lot to understand the story. The story of Pinocchio filled with harrowing yet inspiring adventures. Carved by a poor man named Geppetto. Pinocchio is a wooden puppet that comes to life. He soon leaves his maker and commences in a journey of misadventures. Pinocchio has a good heart, but he is disobedient and lazy and often has a poor judgment. When he lies, his nose grows longer. He goes to the field of miracle where he plants gold coins to try to make his wealth grow. Thrilled as he is pursued by assassins and marveled as he becomes the unwitting star of circus show and live a life of ease in the land of boobies where all boys can play all day and never have to go to school. Of course, Pinocchio gets into trouble along the way. From the villainous cat and fox to the gigantic dogfish, the terrifying sea monster that swallows him. Pinocchio encounters menacing characters who often lead him to trouble. But he also befriends to a good fairy who loves him and promises to the puppet if he learns to be good and to study and work hard, he will become a real boy. So, can Pinocchio turn his life around? Yes, at last, after had a very strange dream, Pinocchio discovered that he is no longer a puppet, but a boy like any other. Like other folk tales, Pinocchio has important morals lessons for children. Disobedience does not pay. Telling lies is seldom prudent. And boys who love and take care of their parents will be rewarded. So, would I recommend this book to you? Definitely, and I'm sure you will enjoy reading it as much as I do. This book remains timeless classic. Have a good day. Bye.